there, fitness friends! Welcome back to my channel, where today we're diving into a super effective home workout to shed those pounds. No equipment needed. Whether you're a busy bee or just prefer the comfort of your living room, this routine is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First off, we're starting with a warm-up to get that blood pumping. Begin with some high knees. Stand tall and start marching in place, lifting your knees as high as you can. Aim for a minute of high knees to get your heart rate up. Remember, warming up is crucial to avoid any injuries. Next, we're going into jumping jacks. Simple yet so effective. Jump your feet out while bringing your arms overhead, then back to start. Keep this going for another minute. Feel that energy rising? Awesome. Alright, it's time to target those core muscles with some mountain climbers. Get down into a plank position and start driving your knees towards your chest, one at a time. Imagine you're climbing a mountain, but faster. Keep at it for 30 seconds. You got this. Now let's work on those legs and glutes with some bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body like you're sitting back into a chair. Then come back up. Go for 15 reps. Focus on keeping your back straight and core tight. Feel the burn? That's progress. Up next, we've got push-ups to tone those arms and chest. You can do these on your toes or knees depending on your fitness level. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. Aim for 10 reps. Push-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength. Alright, it's time for some planking. Get into a forearm plank position and hold it. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Planking is amazing for your core stability. Finally, let's cool down with some stretching. Reach for your toes while seated to stretch those hamstrings. Then move into a seated butterfly stretch. Hold each stretch for about 20 seconds. Cooling down helps with muscle recovery and flexibility. And there you have it. A full body workout you can do right at home with no equipment needed. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate this routine into your week a few times. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to your fitness journey. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Stay motivated, stay active, and I'll see you next time. Bye!